Hello friends and welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Our today's festive recipe is a halwai style milk peda at home with only 2 ingredients. So let's start. First of all, take 1 liter of full fat milk. Heat it on a medium low flame. Full fat milk is very essential for making this peda. Bring the milk to boil. And with the help of spatula, continuously stir the milk. Though this recipe is a little time consuming, you will surprise with the flavor of the peda. If you are making this peda for the first time, then do use a non-stick pan because milk might stick to the pan and can get burnt. So that burnt flavor can change the flavor of whole peda. Also use a large pan while making this recipe. Stir continuously. We have to convert this milk firstly into rabdi and then into the khoya, so required little patience. You can see the milk is reduced to its half quantity. With the help of spatula, detach the milk from the base and the edge continuously. The advantage of making this recipe on a low-medium flame is that you will get a yellowish milk peda which we buy from the halwai. If you want a white color peda, then you can make the same process on a medium flame. Actually, you can make this recipe with regular milk also, but the quantity of the peda will be reduced. So from 1 liter of full fat milk, we can make 17 to 18 pedas, and from a normal milk we can make only 10 to 11, and there will be little change in the flavor also. Since we are making this fresh khoya without any preservative, it will be very healthy to eat also. Now this milk is becoming granular, so it is converting into the rabdi. If you love rabdi, then take out this milk, add sugar, elaichi powder and enjoy your rabdi. Rabdi will get set after some time, so at this stage you can take out it. But since we are making a khoya, we have to stay in tune. To convert 1 liter of milk into the khoya, the time required will be 40 to 45 minutes, and for half liter of milk it will take 25 to 30 minutes. Stir continuously. Let's dry it again. Now it is going to convert into the khoya. You can see slightly change in the color. It is slightly turning towards a light yellow color. At this stage, add 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix well on a low-medium flame. Our khoya is done. Sugar will start melting and make the milk watery again. So we have to continuously stir it well and make it dry again. Be careful because the chances of getting burned is more at this stage. Now you can see our khoya is dried well and it is detaching from the sides. At this stage you can add elaichi powder, kesar and color if you want to make a kesar peda, but I am making it simple 2 ingredients milk peda. Now turn off the flame and transfer these into the plate. Let it cool slightly. We do not want to cool it completely, just make it warm. If you are in hurry, you can refrigerate it for 1 minute. Now we can make a pedha from this khoya. Take a small quantity of khoya and with the help of hand, make roundels. Gently press and with the help of finger, make some impression at the center. You can decorate this pedha with your favorite dry fruit. I am using pista. So friends, it is very easy to make a milk pedha at home and it is just looking like an halwai style. Taste is also awesome. So do try this milk pedha at this festive season and let me know in a comment how's your milk pedha. Stay tuned and enjoy.